Want to stand out as an expert in your field? Here's how. Every expert needs a book that actually builds your business and your brand. Writing a book isn't just an achievement. Done right, it's the ultimate tool to position yourself as the go-to expert in your niche. Let me explain. A strategically crafted best-selling book sets you apart in ways that nothing else can. It's not just about telling your story or sharing your knowledge. It's about establishing connection and credibility. Best-selling authors are seen as trusted leaders in their niche. So whether you're a coach, consultant, speaker, leader, or entrepreneur, a world-class best-selling book proves you have insights that others need. It makes you the trusted expert that clients, media, and event hosts look for. Want to speak on stages and podcasts? A world-class best-selling book is your golden ticket. Event organizers and podcast hosts are always looking for experts, and nothing screams expert like being the author of a strategically crafted, world-class best-selling book. Here's why. When done properly, your book showcases not only your knowledge and your message, but also your process, your ability to communicate clearly, and your ability to connect and impact an audience. It's a VIP pass that opens doors to speaking gigs, interviews, media features, and more. Let's face it, hosts want someone credible, articulate, and insightful to serve their audience. And your strategically crafted, world-class best-selling book proves that you are that person. Want high-paying clients to seek you out? Write a strategically crafted best-selling book. Your book isn't just a story. It's a bridge that connects your expertise to your dream clients. A strategically written book speaks directly to your audience's challenges, goals, and pain points. It shows them that you understand their journey and that you have the solution they need. When done properly, your book will contain the 6 key elements for conversion. Those critical elements build trust, connection, and authority. So by the time your ideal clients finish reading your book, they see you as the guide who can take them further, faster, and with greater ease. The result? They run straight to your premium offers and programs. Stuck on what to post? Your strategically written best-selling book is your content goldmine. Because you wrote your book strategically, it holds everything you need. Here's how to make it work for you. Since every chapter of your book was written with your ideal client in mind, you can take that material and repurpose it into endless content. It becomes social media posts, YouTube videos, newsletters, blogs, emails, podcasts, workshops, keynote speeches, you name it. Take a key idea from your book and break it down into bite-sized bits that serve your audience. When you do that, the content you share is aligned, consistent, and powerful, which helps you establish omnipresence and reinforces your expertise and authority. Your book isn't just words, it's the foundation of your brand. Imagine one powerful tool that aligns your expertise, story, and message while allowing you to serve, impact, and empower. That's your book, and it becomes the cornerstone of your brand. Your book gives you a clear brand voice. It solidifies your position as the trusted authority in your field. Media clients and event hosts look to best-selling authors as thought leaders. Whether it's featured articles, interviews, or speaking invitations, your book opens doors and elevates your visibility. It's the foundation that grows your influence and expands your brand's reach. Think your book is about you? Think again. It's about them. The most impactful books inspire, empower, and solve the reader's problems. Let me show you how to make your book exactly what your audience needs. Your readers are looking for answers to their struggles, fears, and desires. The best books guide them from where they are to where they want to be. Now, each chapter should address a specific pain point, offer solutions, and facilitate transformation. By solving your reader's problem, you become the person they trust to guide them further, right into your programs, events, or services. The more you guide and serve your readers in your book, the more they will connect with you and allow you to guide and serve them in real life. Think your story isn't important? Think again. Someone in the world needs to hear it. Your story can inspire, connect, and transform lives, but only if you share it. Here's why it matters. You have a unique combination of knowledge, skills, passions, insights, and experiences that together make up the story that only you can share. You've struggled and you've soared. You've had moments of confusion and moments of clarity. There have been times when you've wanted to give up and times when you've been absolutely unstoppable. The reality is, there are people right now who are stuck in places you used to be, and they're looking for the answers that you have. Your story might just be the hope, inspiration, or roadmap they need. It's not about having it all figured out or being perfect. It's about showing them the steps you took when you were walking in their shoes. It's about showing them what's possible. Your book becomes their guide, and you become their trusted expert who can lead them to success. Ready to turn your story into a strategic book that builds your credibility, attracts your clients, and grows your business? I'm hosting a free masterclass to show you exactly how to do it. Click the link below to grab your spot today. See you there.